Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivofit 4 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device. First, we need to press and hold the button on our smartband to open the menu. So let's press and hold it, like this. After the menu opens, press the button repeatedly to scroll through the menu, like this. Find the info icon and then press and hold the button to enter. Once you enter, press and hold the button again and keep holding it until you see the NVRST message on the screen. Once you see it, release the button and your band will factory reset itself. Basically, it will be reset to the factory default settings. And that's how you factory reset this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.